What I got here is a sandpaper cutter gadget that I made several years ago, and I've used it many times since then. However, I did make a couple of mistakes when I first built this. And the first is that I didn't leave enough space between the bar and the base so that the paper slides in there easily. If it's curled up on the edge a little bit, it's difficult. Also, if the paper is a little bit thicker, it's difficult. And the other thing is that the cutter, which is actually just a sharpened washer, doesn't move out of the path far enough for me to slide the sheet in. So I've always wanted to rebuild it and make those improvements, and that's what I'll be doing in this video. First thing I did was I went ahead and I cut out all the parts, and we'll spare you the details on that because you guys already know how to cut out parts. And according to some of the comments that I get, you can actually do it better and safer than I can. So the thing is basically the same as the original with just a couple of changes. And the first of those is that I made the bars at the end a little bit thicker. These are actually 1/4 inch thick, and I'm going to glue these on and clamp it up. Now while the glue is drying on that, I can go ahead and put together the cutter shuttle, I guess you could call it, that slides back and forth on the guide bar. And in the original, the guide bar was cut on an angle to form kind of a dovetail. And in this one, I'm just using it shaped like a T. And since this is going to replace the old one, I can just take the sharpened washer off of that and reuse it on this one.